So I'm here in Soliento, New Valley to check this two foreclosed adjacent vacant lots. The first lot is 701 square meters and the regular price is 23.6 million, and we offered discount, and the discounted price is at 20.1 million, which is for approval. So this is the lot, 701 square meters, up to that what do you call this, the electric and the water cable. So from there up to this point, yan, that's 701 square meters. Okay, next to this lot is 1,393 square meters. So from here the cable up to this point, banda dun pa sa dulo, that's 1,393 square meters, and the price is 46.9 million, and discounted price is at 40 million. So this is the most affordable Ayala Premier vacant lot available here in New Valley at discounted price of 29,000 per square meter, which is for approval. And this is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment upon approval of our offer, and 90% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you notice, the utilities here, the water and electric, are all underground because this is a high-end subdivision under Ayala Premier. The roads are asphalt and wide. So again, if you are interested to make an offer, just message me directly. The current market value of Ayala Premier property here in New Valley for a vacant lot is around 50,000 per square meter and up. And we are selling these lots for 29,000 per square meter. That is discounted and for approval. So again, if you are interested to make an offer, just message me directly.